Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some wonderful items to share with you today. The first one is very wonderful because it's called the Wonderful Windmills class. Now, if you missed out when we released this class, it is now available for a limited time, a very limited quantity. So if you're interested in the windmill class, stop this video now and go buy it because I'm worried it's going to sell out ASAP. Very limited. Actually, everything in this video is limited, so maybe watch the whole video, but let me tell you, it's going to be quick. This comes with the windmill Fold It and all the fun windmill pieces. It also comes with the stamps. This is an online class. You're going to get a video how to make all of these awesome projects. It's already taped. It's on the website. Once you buy this, you'll be able to have access to the video. It'll be in your account. And let me just tell you, it's chock full of awesomeness. Now, we even included 2 different stencils and all of these dies, that stamp set and the double stamp set, die set. So go check it out ASAP because once it's gone again. It's gone. We took it out of the vault and it'll be gone again. Also coming to you is the fabulous kit, a fabulous die set, and also the rolled flower. These were available months, almost a year ago in one of our kit clubs. So if you missed out on these, you can now get these for a limited time. Also very limited are 2 different ribbon sets. We have the Summer Bold ribbon, which has gorgeous green and a red gingham and a blue dotted and a brown stripe and a yellow. Beautiful, beautiful. Also, we have the Patriotic set that has white, blue, blue gingham, a thin blue, and also a red gingham. Once these kits are gone, they're gone. Ken just grabs all the extra we have in that warehouse, and he puts these kits together and sends them to our warehouse. So once they're gone, they're gone. And I know you all love our ribbons, so get them quick, okay? Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these items, including the online class. Whoa! I know, isn't that awesome? And if you're not in the club, oh my goodness gracious, you're missing out on so many awesomeness things. Awesome, awesome, awesome things. You need to go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, and see why you need to be in the club. Also, don't forget to visit us on our Facebook fan page. Go to Facebook, click on, search Stamps of Life fan page, and go join the fan page. It's a fantastically wonderful, upbeat, happy place to be. And you know what? You'll find everything you want to know about the Stamps of Life on that fan page. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.